everyone, welcome to College Dekho. Here is another addition to the series of videos that we have been doing for you to help you make informed career choices. Are you someone who is interested in how a business works? Be it the strategy, operations, logistics, or the overall management that helps run a successful business? Well, then a career as a management consultant can be a good option for you. The tasks of a consultant include identifying problems, gathering information, and offering solutions. Management consultants are hired in both the public and the private sector, and the demand for a management consultant is also globally very high. Let's go stepwise and understand what all points you need to keep in mind if you are planning to pursue a career as a management consultant. First things first, what should be your educational qualification or background in order to pursue a career as a management consultant? Well, it is important to have completed your undergraduate studies from a recognized university with any stream or a combination of subjects. However, preference is given to those who have a degree in management such as BBA, BMS, BCom, etc. Apart from that, a master's degree in the field of management or an MBA is also a prerequisite to becoming a management consultant. Now, let's move on to the employment sectors where management consultants are hired. Be it the IT industry, the finance companies, management houses, HR recruiting companies, media houses, or the entire entertainment industry. The demand for management consultant is crucial, and hence there is a lot of demand for qualified professionals. Now, let's also try and understand the different type of job roles that you can look at as a management consultant. Some of the in-demand management consultant job profiles are as follows. Strategy consultants. They are the ones who look into the growth strategies of an organization and advise on high-level decisions. Information technology consultants. They focus mainly on the technical recruitments and requirements of the company and offer suggestions and advice related to it. Outsourcing consultants. They are responsible for dealing with the outsourced projects that can be from various departments such as finance, information technology, human resources, etc. Human resource consultants. They analyze the company's HR programs and focus on disseminating advice and suggestions pertaining to HRM. Financial consultants. They work on proposals related to financial budgets, budgetary control system, revenue and capital budgeting, and profit planning of the company. Entrepreneurs. They start and manage their own business and take responsibility for all risks and opportunities. Some of the top recruiting companies that hire management consultants are McKinsey & Company, Deloitte, E&Y, Boston Consulting Group, Accenture, Bain & Company, etc. Having said that, the main question that may strike your mind is how much can you actually earn being a management consultant? Well, the answer is simple. Although it varies from individual to individual, and it also depends on the company that has hired you or the industry that you're working in, it is safe to assume that the starting salary of a management consultant can be anywhere between 4 to 6 lakhs per annum and can go up to 25 lakhs per annum with your experience. So, all in all, if you have developed core consulting skills of research, analysis, presentation, problem-solving skills, good communication skills, and an attention to detail, a career as a management consultant can be a good choice. Check out all the details of a career as a management consultant in the link given below.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.